Good morning, JJamers. Welcome back to my page. This is JJames15, and I don't know what I'm gonna be doing today. I really don't, but we're gonna do something. It's my day off finally, so I can actually have some fun during my day and do some stuff. But yeah, anyways, let's get to my day. I need to change first, and I gotta do my push-ups for those girls, cause I gotta smash.
Smash.
Anyways, let's get to my day and again transition to some push-ups. What's up, guys? I am now done getting ready, and I'm starting off my day, and it's not really starting off. It's actually like 1 o'clock, so I start my day off pretty late, but I'm gonna go work out, possibly go shopping, and yeah, we'll see where this day heads. Not sure still what I'm gonna do, but I'm for sure gonna go work out. And yeah, let's head out there. It is poppin', guys. I am now at Metrotown. I'm looking for my friend Milo Shea. We're gonna be working out. I think I found him. He's right here. Anyways, yeah, heading to the gym. Just here at Metro. Here's my boy. He doesn't want to be shown on camera, but let's head out there. We are now done our workout, and we're at McDonald's, but we didn't order anything from McDonald's. This is what we ordered: a Supreme bottle of water and a nice roasted chicken after our workout.
Nice.
Look at that. And Milo I think he finished the watermelon.
I already ate the watermelon.
But yeah, let's feast. Guys, we are at Tim Hortons right now, and I feel pumped after all that roasted chicken that me and Milo ate. Man, it tastes so good. I feel so pumped right now. I feel huge, but I'm not really huge. It's okay. There's lots of people here. We're at Timmy's. Oh, there's my bruh.
What's up, bro?
What's up, bruh? Anyways, we're going to head out and watch the Fate of the Furious, and I'm going to tell you guys what I think of it. But yeah, anyways, let's head there, and hopefully it's good, but if it's not, I'll tell you guys. So yeah, let's go. What is popping, guys? I don't know if you guys could hear me, but I'm in the movie theater right now. We just finished watching Fate of the Furious. I'm here with my brothers and Milo. But yeah, I gotta say that was a pretty good movie. I wouldn't say it's one of the best, one of the best Fast and Furious movies, but it's pretty good. I wouldn't give it a 10, but I wouldn't give it a 5 either. So it's kind of in the middle. I give it an 8. But yeah, pretty good. Anyways, heading back home, and yeah, we can see what we're gonna do at home, if anything. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, welcome back. It is J James again. I'm now back home after a long day. I'm not gonna be doing much at home, but I did want to show you guys the new stuff that I got. I got this new shirt. It's poppin'. Looks pretty good.
Wow.
I'm going for that hipster look with a nice Louis Vuitton belt.
Nice.
And I also got myself Elite socks, which I've always wanted, but I've never gotten. They're pretty nice. As you can see here, it says L and R, just in case you forget what side of your foot you're putting them on. So left and right. It's pretty sick. They have a nice stripe. I always love this stripe in the back. Always found that really nice. But yeah, anyways, this is the end of my vlog. Hope you guys had a great day. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Peace. What is going on, guys? Hope you guys liked that video. Please do like and subscribe and leave comments below. Please share. I'm going to be getting my equipment very, very soon. But stay tuned for that. And I'm going to be, I'll tell you guys this, I'm going to be trying to vlog every single day. If not, I'm for sure going to have a vlog out every Saturday. So stay tuned. And yeah, have a good night or day wherever you are. And yeah, I'm a bit awkward. Peace.